Welcome to today's video on graphing points on a coordinate plane. Before we get into graphing points, let's first explore what a coordinate plane is. A coordinate plane is formed by two number lines that are joined together at a point called the origin. One of these lines is called the x-axis and stretches horizontally from the origin. And the second line is called the y-axis, which extends vertically from the origin. Now imagine that each tick on the number line extended all the way out like this. This gives us a grid to help us navigate our coordinate plane. So how do we use this coordinate plane? Graphing a point on a coordinate plane is similar to graphing a point on a number line, except that there are two number lines instead of just one. The x-axis begins at 0 at the origin and increases as we move further to the right. For example, we could plot a point on the number 2 on the x-axis right here. The value of x at this point is 2. The y-axis also begins at 0 at the origin and increases as we move up. To show that the value of y is equal to 3, we could plot a point on the y-axis right here. Now, let's plot a point to show that x is 2 and y is 3 at the same time. If we place our point right here, then it will be lined up with 2 on the x-axis and 3 on the y-axis. So this point now shows that x is 2 and y is 3 at the same time. When you are asked to graph points on the coordinate plane, you always need a value for x and a value for y. This pair of values is called an ordered pair, and it's written like this. The first number gives the location of our point in regards to the x-axis, and the second number gives the location of our point in regards to the y-axis. For example, this point that we graphed on the coordinate plane would be written as 2, 3. In other words, the first number should tell you how far right, and the second number how high up our point should be on the coordinate plane. Let's take a look at some examples to see what this means. Graph the point 7, 4. Here we have to graph our ordered pair of 7 and 4. Remember, the first number is our x-coordinate and tells us how far right our point should be. And the second number, which is our y-coordinate, tells us how high up our point should be. So we can first move over to the right 7 units and then up 4 units until we arrive at this location here. After we plot our point, we can see that it sits above the 7 on the x-axis and to the right of 4 on the y-axis. And that's it. We've graphed our first point. Let's try another one. Graph the 2 points 2, 6 and 4, 3. Here we have two ordered pairs we need to graph. Let's start with the first at 2 and 6. That's 2 on the x-axis and 6 on the y-axis. Connecting the two coordinates together, we arrive at this location here. So we'll graph that point. Let's now graph our second point at 4 and 3. That means we need 4 on the x-axis and a 3 on the y-axis. Connecting the two coordinates together, we arrive at this point here. Okay, now moving on to our last example, can we graph these 2 points? Let's start with the first ordered pair at 5 and 6. That puts us at 5 on the x-axis and 6 on the y-axis. Connecting the two coordinates, we arrive at this location for our point. Next, we have to graph our ordered pair of 2.5 and 4.5. Although we don't have a specific point on the x-axis number line that shows 2.5, we know that 2.5 is halfway between 2 and 3. So that means our point will also be in between 2 and 3. Next, we again don't have 4.5 on our y-axis, but we know that 4.5 is halfway between 4 and 5, so our point will also be between those two coordinates. Connecting the two together, we arrive at this location here. And we're done. Okay, that's it for this video. You should now be able to graph points on a coordinate plane. Congratulations, and I'll see you next time.